What is the best part about your job?
Oh, great question. I would say it's honestly, I love weather. I mean, and I know nowadays more it's virtual, right? But just talking with people, talking with clients, on helping, understanding what they're doing, how they're doing it, helping. Honestly, at the end of the day, I think we are all problem solvers, in my opinion. It's helping them solve problems, right? And if there's bottlenecks, if there's inefficiencies, it's coming up with solutions, right? And some of it is could be complicated. There's other situations where, maybe there's processes and procedures with our technical team, right, that we have, at our fingertips that we can provide them, right? I know that, one of the things we've spent a lot of time on is tips and tricks and providing them with video content that you can consume in a timely manner. So I know you and I have worked really hard with, really scaling that down to 3 minutes or less so that we're giving you digestible content, tips and tricks, how to install licenses. I know we've had a lot of traffic with that the last few months. So for me, it's all about solving problems for clients, and that's why I wake up. That's what I love. That's why I love what I do. Is helping solve problems for companies and departments, and the technical staff that works there as well.